Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mawako Sandy Home Recipe. Today, dika a uhwe mi video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Remember me notification bell no. Send me the video bia beto a on sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Listen to Ghana rock band. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, that's it. What the 3 cups all-purpose flour begu adiemu. What the half cup sugar aka 1 teaspoon nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 mixing it together. What the 50-gram butter na margarine aka 1 mixing it together. Mix it with now the 2 eggs aka vanilla, half cup milk egumu no one mixing that together. What the ensuka cracker no akoswa de a mix it. But we won't mix and so man you too much liquid. What the 1/3 cup raisin by optional on pound fire the egg home. Say na ese tester no so ye de eye. We are not got to go prepare cake pie mo. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. What the egg I brush to kakra by option I on fire the egg home. We are not baking 180 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, no way, 1 manager and sana was serve. Machos in the dikan I will share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No I me notification bell no. Send me the video be a better one on sabeka. Me ye na me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our rock buns recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.